Hi guys, welcome to ID Networking. So how to fix BHDrvx64.sys. This is the blue dump for Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so guys, I suggest you those blue dump only for getting your system's driver. So open Windows Explorer and right click to see more and go to manage. So please you update your all hardware driver. Okay, you select and this is scan to hardware change, and guys you display driver and right click update and then close it. Then guys, second method, it is Windows R and type msconfig, enter services and all hide service. Okay, right click to refresh. And one more thing guys, you go to control panel and using free antivirus like Norton, NVP, and so please uninstall. And in your system have a Norton antivirus, so please this uninstall. This is very this is getting the blue dump for this antivirus, so please uninstall. You can run to malware वगैरह in Windows Defender and then restart guys, your problem 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care.